Next up, the next vocab is customer. The person who pays for your product or service. Next up, profit. Profit is the amount of money you make from a sale after you pay your expenses. Yes, it's a great answer. So sales and promotions are just one type of marketing. There are many more in this world, such as advertisements, posters, billboards, and flyers.